guys. Looky there. I put the dimple part up so you have traction. Oh yeah, that's freaking bad. The freaking ass. Get excited. It's gonna look good. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a 3, maybe 4-part series starting today, and it's nothing to do with all this stuff in the shop. Well, it is. We're gonna be using the stuff in the shop, but back on the Jeep, we're gonna do some fabricating, some modifications, some upgrades, all kinds of fun stuff on this baby. So in this video, we're gonna, she's dirty, look at that. Ooh. Anyway, in this video we're gonna remove these, cut them out, and we're gonna build ones that go all the way across with 16 gauge sheet metal. I think it's gonna be pretty good. And then part 2 we will be doing on the same rock sliders, upgrading, cutting out these hoops right here and putting in some DOM, because that's where all the rocks hit, as you can probably see. It's freaking terrible. Anyway, that's gonna be in part 2, but part 1 is making it look beautiful and adding some dimple dies in that whole piece of sheet metal that's gonna go across here for some traction. But first, we gotta cut some stuff out first and do little upgrades. I mean, not upgrades, but get these upgrades going. I'm excited for this one. I've been waiting for this, get time to do this for a long time. So I'm gonna set you outside today. Right here, can you see me pretty good right there? I think so. And I'm gonna cut these off real quick. See what we can do here. I'm gonna do some cutting off and some grinding, looks like. I think we might have to change the wheel. Big mama. I think we're gonna have to use the big mama. This one won't reach in there well enough. Let's see what she could do. That ain't gonna work either. We're gonna have to use the plasma. Oh, damn, couldn't all the way through my. The rest we could do with the slice and dice on this side. Get a pry bar. That junk's off. Four and a half. Four and a half. I think it's 66. Oh no, 68. Go 68. 4.5 by 68. Give you guys a little bit of a close-up view. What I did, just laid it on. I don't know if you can see those lines. I just kind of drew about halfway in between the bar. Same over here. I think we're gonna go with that. There she is, guys. She's dimpled. Looks pretty good. Now, let's go check her out. Guys, looky there. I put the dimple part up so you have traction. Oh yeah, that's freaking bad. The freaking ass. Get excited. It's gonna look good. Oh, you guys. That's gonna add so much character. And when it gets welded in, strength. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. We might even do panels in here after we cut these out and replace those. And dimple die it and everything. Oh yeah. That's freaking amazing. The ability to make your own shit, guys, is priceless. Get our first panel over here. Oops. Get it clamped on, then we'll tack it on. Looking pretty snazzy, guys. Ain't my best welding, but it'll hold. Looking pretty snazzy. A lot better than that stock stuff. Okay guys, we got this side all prepped and ready to go. There you go, guys. All done up, welded together, painted, a little grinding, but overall came out pretty good. I'm really impressed. Leave in the comment what you think about this little upgrade to the stock rock sliders. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for me.